How? Okay, welcome you back once again to our 900 sentence challenge in Chinese language. Okay, today we are going to do 16th sentence, 16 to 20. Okay, let's go. So the next one is 这是我的名片这是我的名片这 means this 是 means to be what, which means it can be is, can be are, can be am, can be where, were, it can be past tense of is, was, was. Then 我的 is mine, then when 名片 is card, business card. So 这是我的名片 means this is my business card, this is my name card. Or here the translator as here is my name card. Then the 17th is 见到你很高兴见到你很高兴见到你很高兴见到你很高兴 which means meet you very happy. That I translate word on word, meet you very happy, which means nice to meet you or I'm happy to meet you. Then the next one, 你叫什么名字你叫什么名字你叫什么名字你叫什么名字 Okay, which means 你 is you, you, 叫 is to call or to be called. To call, that is C-A-L-L, or to be called, C-A-L-L-E-D. Shama is what, W-H-A-T. My 名字 is name, N-A-M-A. So, 你叫什么名字 you called what name? In the correct English, what is your name? Okay? Then 19 is 我姓王我姓王 which means my family name is Wang, my surname is Wang. 我叫王一乐我叫王一乐 which means I am called Wang Yi. Okay, so after that, let's look at some of these the common professions, that's like common work names. Then the first one is 工人工人 is what, workers, laborer, worker. 公务员, look at this picture. Then the next one, 服务员, this picture is 服务员, which waiter, 服务员 or waitress. Then the next one, 记者 this person, 记者 is what, reporter. Then the next one is 警察 is what, police officer. Okay. Then the next one is 公务员is what, civil servant, this picture, civil servants. Then the next one, 护士, this picture is 护士 is nurse. Then the next one, 农民, this one is 农民, which is farmer, 农民. Then this one is 教师 is teacher, 教师 or 老师 it all means teacher. Right, this one is what, 学生is what, student. Okay, that's all for today. 再见 see you next time. 下次见再见